Have you ever wondered what happens in your body when you eat spicy food? It's a question that might have popped up in your mind as you savored that fiery curry or bit into a hot chili pepper. Spicy food is a staple in many cultures around the globe, from the sizzling stir-fries of Asia to the piquant salsas of Mexico. This universal love for a good kick of heat in our meals is fascinating, isn't it? But what's the secret behind the heat? Meet capsaicin, the compound that turns up the temperature in your favorite spicy dishes. It's this unassuming molecule that's responsible for the tingling sensation, the sudden rush of warmth, and the beads of sweat that form on your forehead after a spicy bite. So, armed with this knowledge, are you ready to explore this hot and spicy world from a new perspective? Let's dive deep into the journey of that spicy morsel as it travels through your body. So, you've taken a bite of that spicy dish. The first thing that hits you is the heat. But what's actually causing that sensation? Well, the heat you feel isn't just your imagination running wild. It's a very real reaction caused by a compound called capsaicin. This fiery little molecule is the heart and soul of the spicy experience, and it's found in abundance in chili peppers, the spice warriors of the food kingdom. Let's break it down. Capsaicin is a member of the vanilloid family. It's an oily, colorless compound that's insoluble in water. That's why drinking water doesn't do much to quell the fiery wrath of a spicy meal. When you take a bite of a chili pepper, capsaicin molecules rush in, binding to the pain receptors on your tongue and in your mouth. These are the same receptors that respond to actual heat, like when you accidentally sip a piping hot cup of tea. In a cruel twist of biology, your body interprets the capsaicin attack as if you've bitten into a burning ember. The brain is tricked into thinking you're in a bit of a hot spot, and it responds by pumping out endorphins, the body's natural painkillers. These endorphins give you a rush, sometimes referred to as a chili high. The capsaicin has one more trick up its sleeve though. It also fools your body into thinking it's hotter than it actually is. This triggers your cooling mechanisms, making you sweat and your face to turn red, as if you've just finished a round of high-intensity interval training. Now, you might be wondering, why would plants develop such a fiery defense mechanism? Well, it's a survival strategy. The heat of capsaicin deters mammals from eating the plant's fruit, while birds, which are unaffected by capsaicin, can eat the fruits and disperse the seeds far and wide. So the next time you're breaking a sweat over a spicy curry or a hot salsa, remember it's all thanks to capsaicin and its sneaky, fiery ways. As you swallow, you might think the worst is over, but in truth, the journey has just begun. Once swallowed, that spicy food doesn't simply disappear. It continues its fiery journey through your digestive system. Picture this. You've just taken a bite of that fiery curry or nibbled on a particularly potent pepper. The capsaicin, that devilish compound responsible for the heat, now begins its tumultuous tour of your insides. As it descends into the pit of your stomach, it stimulates the production of gastric acid. This is your body's first line of defense, an attempt to neutralize the invader. But in its enthusiasm, your stomach may produce too much acid, leading to heartburn or indigestion. Unpleasant, yes, but a testament to your body's commitment to keep you safe. But the journey doesn't stop there. Capsaicin, being a stubborn guest, refuses to leave without a fight. It resists digestion, maintaining its fiery nature as it travels further down the digestive tract. This is where the real party starts. Your body, in its infinite wisdom, recognizes the blazing intruder and reacts accordingly. Saliva production increases, a desperate attempt to dilute the capsaicin. Mucus production, too, is ramped up in an effort to protect your delicate tissues from the burning sensation. It's akin to firefighters dousing a blaze with water and foam. All of this happens under the surface, unbeknownst to you. You only feel the heat, the sweat trickling down your forehead, the fiery sensation in your mouth. You might even feel a bit queasy, a result of your body's efforts to expel the spicy offender. But fear not, for this too shall pass. The capsaicin continues its journey until it reaches the end of the line. It's a wild ride, but your body is well equipped to handle it. It's a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the human body, a marvel of biological engineering. Eventually, all things must pass, and spicy food is no exception. You might have felt the heat of spicy food a second time during its exit. But why does this happen? Now buckle up for a quick biology lesson. Capsaicin, the spice culprit, is an oil-soluble compound. This means our body has a tough time breaking it down and absorbing it completely. So when you consume a spicy dish, not all of the capsaicin gets metabolized by your body. As it travels through your digestive system, it retains its fiery properties. This unaltered capsaicin then comes in contact with the same types of receptors in your lower gastrointestinal tract that it did in your mouth. Yes, the very same receptors that screamed fire when you bit into that chili pepper. This is why you may feel a burning sensation during excretion. So the next time you enjoy that spicy dish, remember the fiery journey your body is about to embark on. It's not just a meal, it's an adventure from the first bite to the spicy exit. From the first bite to the last burn, we've taken a spicy journey through the human body. We've delved into the world of spicy foods, where the thrill of the heat meets the science of sensation. We've seen how the capsaicin in chilies, that fiery culprit, kicks off a domino effect, sending our body into a state of high alert. We followed this feisty compound on its path, from the moment it touches our tongue, triggering that familiar burning sensation, to its final exit, reminding us of its presence one last time. But it's not all pain and tears. Remember how we talked about the body's response to capsaicin causing a rush of endorphins, nature's own painkillers, giving us that spicy food high? So whether you're a heat seeker or a cautious taster, the world of spicy food has something for everyone. If you found this journey as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such exciting content.